Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bathroom makeover video. I guess the idea started with the floor. I'm going to show you two things that I bought for the floor. I couldn't decide between which one to use. So the first one is these like pop tiles, I think they're called. I can link them below. I got them on Amazon. Oh, they're called floor pops. So they are just kind of like stickers. You stick them. They're the least amount of work. You don't really have to do much for them. And I really liked them, but then I went to Lowe's. Yeah, Lowe's. And I found this one, which you can't really tell from this pattern. I ended up going with this floor, and I'll insert some video of like my husband tearing out the other floor and us putting it in. We did it ourselves. Next, I wanted to upgrade like the shower curtain, the trash can, and things like that. And I also put in these knobs, and when I give you a tour of the bathroom, you'll see the little pulls. They're actually called pulls. I'll put a picture in there. They're brass, so the theme of the bathroom is kind of like black, white, and gold. Surprise! My favorite colors. Let me share what else I got. So anyway, I got two trash cans. So I got this brass colored one, which matches with the pulls, and when we go in the bathroom, we're gonna decide which one looks better. And then I bought a wood one. Oh, I forgot to mention another accent color is like the wood color. I just feel like it goes really cute with like the black and white. As I've told you in all my other decorating videos, my process for decorating is overbuying. So I have my vision in my head, some ideas, and then I go and buy a bunch of stuff for it and try all the pieces and then decide what I like. So that's pretty much what I did here, except for I haven't bought towels yet. So whatever I don't use, I'm going to return and buy matching towels. So I bought 3 rugs. I don't know. I couldn't decide. This is one of the rugs, and it is kind of like a very simple woven pattern. It looks pretty white to me, and it's from Threshold at Target. It wasn't very expensive. I don't know if I love it because it doesn't have like any gripping, and I feel like I might be sliding out of the tub in it. So I'm not sure about that one, but we're gonna try it. And then I got this black one from Room Essentials. It's less expensive. It's kind of like a foamy material, which is soft, and it's black. The only problem is that black like attracts a lot of dog hair. Sebastian's right here on the floor with me playing with this toy. And then the third rug is this one, which I probably like the most, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So it's also by Threshold, and it's just more like furry, and I only have one rug in my bathroom. My bathroom's really small. You'll see in a minute. When I step out, when I step out of the shower or tub, I like to like step on rug and not just like floor. Then I got 2 shower curtains to choose from. So I basically took the floor, a piece of the floor with me to Target, and just tried to like match it. This is just a very plain Threshold shower curtain, and this is the material, if you can see it. It's got a little detailing, but nothing too crazy. And then the next shower curtain is a little cuter. It has some patterns, so I'll just show you the picture of it. It's white as well, but then it has like, and it looks black and white to me. On the picture it looks gray, but if you see right there, it looks black and white, so it might bring out the floor. All right, here we go, and it's probably messy because life, but here is the floor. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. Oh, and then these are the poles that I was talking about. We did not have these in the house before, so I just think that they really add to the bathroom. This is what we have to work with. I'll probably change up a little bit here. I'm not sure, but I do want to pick the shower curtain Dear Sebastian. So let's put the rugs. Here are the 3 rugs, and that's the first one I showed you, and then the second one, which I'm kind of like probably gonna like that one. I don't know, we're gonna see. And then here is the third one, which also probably works. I don't think I like this one, so this one is a no. And then let's see the shower curtains. So this is my current shower curtain, which it's cute, but doesn't match the floor. I actually wanted a pink shower curtain to kind of pull in my bedroom, but I couldn't find one, so this will have to do. So we have this. Yeah, it'll probably be cute. Or, let's see the other one. Or this one. I don't know. Okay, and then we have the trash cans. Oh. Okay, so those are the trash cans. I think because of these, I'll probably go with the gold one. Even though I have this shelf that looks like wood, I have like more gold accents, so that's a no. This is a yes. You guys are seeing my process. Okay, so that's a no. Okay, now I have to decide on the shower curtain, and I really don't know. Here we are for the purposes of finishing the video, because I don't know when I'll actually completely finish this bathroom. It might be a while. I am going to give you a little tour of where I am at. So I need a couple of things. I'm wearing my pajamas too. I just realized I'm going to be in the mirror in my pajamas. I do need to get matching soaps. I don't know if that's like a big deal to anyone, but I like to have matching soaps for my husband and I like this scent a lot. It looks really dark. Okay, this is one of my favorite scents, so I'll need to get one more of those. Since I filmed a few days ago, I completely changed my mind, so everything that I shared with you I didn't use. Well, not everything, but most of it. I decided to have a pop of color in here. I got this at Joann's. I went in there to buy material to make some scrunchies, and I saw this and I thought it would go perfect. I don't know if I shared this candle with you guys, but I got that at World Market. It smells delicious. And then I went to Target again, and I took back the white curtain because I completely hated it and I was gonna go with the other one, but to me it looked a little too boho-y, I guess is a word. I really wanted a pink curtain to stand out and kind of tie in my bedroom, so I will be sharing kind of a little makeover of my bedroom as well once I get it edited. But I got this shower curtain at Target, and it's kind of like double-sided, honestly. This color is more of the same color as the little vase, and that's actually the main color, but I liked the light pink color better. So if you can see right here, I cut off the little tag, and I think it looks really cute. I was thinking of painting the door. I don't know. I could do a lot of things in here, but for now, I'm pretty happy with it. I did also purchase this pink rug to match it. I think this is Opal House, and this is a new brand at Target that I've never seen before. And I did buy one towel so far just to see what I thought of it. I need to get obviously more towels, and then a couple of towels here to dry our hands. And then over here, I don't know. This area needs work. I think my battery's gonna die, I have to hurry. But it's just bath salts, bath bombs, and a little pink vase with flowers. And yeah, that is the bathroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.